Greeting from Spoken English Masterclass YouTube channel. I congratulate you that you have completed your Spoken English practices 31 from practice number 1 till practice number 31. And today we are going to do our Spoken English practice number 32. And the topic for exercise is manners. So if you are new on this channel, I want to tell you what I am trying to do. That a lot of people told me that we are not getting a friend for practice or spoken English, although we have a good command on grammatical rules, good vocabulary, good command on tenses. Even then we are very reluctant and we are very hesitate to speak in English because we are not getting a friend to practice. So in this channel, in this video, I am going to help you. Though the thing is that what is the methodology, I will ask question and you will give the answer, and always try to give answers in 2-3 lines. If you are giving answer in 5-6 lines, it is very good. So it's mean you are improving rapidly and you will improve very quickly and fastly. So now I am going to ask question from you, and the question number 1 is that what is the meaning of manners? Question number 2, what do you think are some good manners? Question number 3, what do you think are some bad manners? Question number 4, what are some good manners for using a cell phone? 5, what are some good table manners? 6, what are some good party manners? 7, do you say hi to people even if they are stranger? Do you listen other people conversation on the street? Why are manners important? Can manners affect your success in life? What's the best way to teach manners to children? Next, what are the good manners and what are the bad manners? Actually, manners mean how we interact with others. Like if we are going in any wedding ceremony, so how we are behaving with people, how we start eating, how we sit on chair, and how we complete our meals, food. So this is very important. And how we do greeting on, or for if when we receive any phone call, so how we are greeting, we are saying hello, good evening, or we are saying hi, or straight away we are saying hello. So every person have their own priorities, but the thing is that what are some good manners? Manners are very important. Therefore, when you are going to appear in the interviews, what are the manners to appear in the interview? First of all, you should have a smile on your face and you should greet to the interviewer. If there is a panel or individual person is going to conduct your interview, so manners are very important in life. And what are the manners to drive a car? The manner is that don't press horn button again and again without any necessity. If you think like there is very compulsion, you need to use the horn of your bike or car, then you should use, otherwise don't use. Because in civilized country, if people are using horn without any necessity, so this is considered very bad manner, very bad behavior, because you are disturbing others. And second thing is that what are the good manners for mobile phone? Don't speak too much loud when you are sitting in your office or when you are sitting on a public place. So this is also considered. And where you should not set a very loud tone or very unethical tone on your mobile phone when your mobile is going to ring. So there are a lot of manners. You should be very careful about manners, and manners are making your image of your personality in front of others, in your school, college, university, in your organization where you are working. And with the passage of time, people make a belief in their mind about your personality. So therefore please focus on this and try to give the answers of question. If you are a beginner, try to give answer in 1 or 2 line, and if you are a good speaker already, or if you are like a mediocre intermediate speaker, then try to give answer in 6, 7, 8 lines. Start from 3, 4, 5 lines, and with the passage of time you will see a lot of improvement in your speaking. What will the good result that your listening is improving in this video? You are listening me, your listening is improving, your vocabulary is improving, and when you will start to speak, your confidence will increase and your fluency English speaking will also improve. So thank you very much. Goodbye.